Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a head control drill that will make your neck stronger, and it's something that we don't normally do, especially, well, this is the first time I've shown anything like this in the video series. Normally I show you head nods, maybe from this position or the rocking position, going here or here. And head nods are wonderful. They activate your vestibular system. They help you develop your head control. If you don't move your neck much, they help restore the movement of your neck. But every muscle in your body is attached to your vestibular system. So simply by gaining control of your eyes and your head and being able to move them as you should be able to, you make your entire body stronger. But anyway, this position here sometimes stresses the low back for some people. And one thing we can do is walk our elbows out. And now we've taken the stress off the low back. So if I were going to show you from the side, if this aggravates the low back, and for some people it does, for now, that can go away. But we can lower the incline or walk our elbows out, and that takes the stress off the low back. But here, I'm still doing head nods, and well, it's kind of gravity, so my vertebrae are kind of stacked on top of each other. So I can see that way, right? So my head's on the horizon. But if I want to challenge my neck muscles a little bit more, make it harder on them, all I have to do is lower my head. Can you hear me now? Anyway, I lower my head and I keep it off the ground, and I do head nods here. And what you want to do is try to control the motion. And if you feel rough patches or shaky patches, you just try to smooth it out. But you still use your eyes. Eyes go down, head goes down. Eyes go up, head goes up. Eyes go down, head goes down. Eye goes up, head goes up. And here, so look, if you can see, my head is just up off the floor. So you can put your hands anywhere you want to, by the way. It makes it more fun. I do like to pretend like I'm Superman and fly, but this is also cool, flying like this. But the head is just off the ground, and you're using your eyes to drive the motion of your head. And another cool thing I like to do here, head rotations. So I look left, take my head to the left, and keep looking as far as my eyes and head will let me go. And look right, take my head to the right. And again, this is just another way to work on head control, to strengthen the neck, to restore mobility in the neck. But it's not just about the neck. You're activating your vestibular system, and what you're really doing is you're restoring mobility and ability throughout your entire body. I know it seems simple, but there's power in the simple. And these little things here can make you absolutely as strong and able as you want to be. All right, so give those a shot. Don't discount them. Give it a try. Try it every day for 30 days and see if you can't tell a difference in how you move. You probably tell a difference in how you feel and move within a week or 2 weeks. It depends on who you are. But try it every day and see what happens. See the power in the simplicity of your own body's ability to move. All of that. All right, so that's our tip for this week. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.